So HighLevel just released the craziest AI update, and it's called Ask AI. Imagine being able to speak to your CRM and it actually doing things for you on your behalf. Now, I'm not talking about just getting questions and something answered. I'm actually talking about doing physical tasks, like booking appointments for you, like creating an invoice for you, like uploading leads for you, and the list goes on and on. Now, I'm going to show you the list of all the things it can do because I literally asked it, what can you do? And it responded back. HighLevel is the only CRM that I know of that has this ability of not only being able to talk to your actual CRM to get information, but also at the same time to actually have it physically do things. So sit back and watch and build along with us. All right, so literally, I'm not exaggerating. This thing is absolutely freaking bananas. This is by far one of the favorite updates that I've had in a long while. I'm super excited about it just for the simple things that this AI can do. So first and foremost, let me just go in and I literally asked it the same questions of like, what things can you actually do by me just being able to talk to it? And this is what I'm going to be showing you in a minute, right? So it does search, creates, and updates contacts. It creates, views, and updates business records. It manages opportunities by creating them and updating them. It deletes opportunities, adds followers, tracks long reasons, builds associations and custom objects, create conversations, sends and cancels messages, adds inbound and outbound messages, campaigns, conversational AI, create and manage AI agent. This is massively huge. Attach and remove actions, configure bot behavior, build voice AI agents, manage agent actions, configure call handling. I mean, honestly, this is out of control. Creates blogs, imports courses, creates invoices, creates products, does workflows, manages Agent Studio, which is a brand new feature that we have in there, fetches data on the reporting dashboards, media storage, brand board creation. I mean, honestly, we're going to have a lot of fun testing a lot of this out. So without further ado, let's just get right into it, right? So let's say I have, hey, I want you to create a contact. The name is going to be Nuno M Test. And the email is going to be nuno@test5.com. I want you to create that contact. I want you to give him a tag of new lead. And I also want you to create an appointment for him for Monday at 3 p.m. on the demo calendar. And let me see, I want you to also invoice him for the demo for $15 and make sure you make a product called Demo Audit and charge $15 for it and make sure you send them the invoice. If this gets it all done, I'd be completely impressed, right? So let's go and let's see how much it can get done. And we're going to go right through it, right? So user wants me, it's like breaking down all the things that we want. For contact, I have enough info. For appointment, I might need on it. Let me gather everything I need simultaneously. Loading skills and finding a demo calendar all at once. This is insanity, folks. The fact that I'm literally speaking into this demo and it's doing this automatically. Look at this. It's finding all my calendars because it's like, wait, you have all these calendars. Which one do you want me to put it onto? I'm just watching it kind of live so you guys can see how crazy this is. And it's going to say, I found a lot of calendars. Which one do you want me to put on? And I'm going to do the 4 free strategy call. Confirm the calendar and I'll walk you through each for approval. All right. So I'm going to do 4 and I'm going to hit enter. So now it's going to go ahead and book there. Look, Nuno test 5, create a contact, Nuno mid test. That's fine. Create an invoice, demo. $15. Now, I totally made this all up. I didn't even know if it was going to be doing this. Create a contact, step 4, create invoice, send invoice, confirm to kick off step 1. Confirm. Guys, how cool would this be? Imagine you doing this. You waking up in the morning, you got to get stuff done. You got a task list that you want to do. You come in here and you start speaking all this into existence. And here you go. Step 1, contact new lead is committed. Look at this thing go. No worries. The calendar requires an assigned team member. Retrying with the correct user. This is pretty awesome. See, it's even finding a problem. That calendar probably doesn't even have anybody assigned to it. Booked an appointment. We're going to see all this, creating an invoice. All right. And it's finding its own errors and it's automatically creating them and fixing them, which is pretty amazing. Again, I'm going to just pause this so then this can go through a little bit longer, but you're seeing how quick it is, right? Now we're going to validate whether or not this thing will fit. It also said it made a mistake. It said an invoice for 1,500 versus 15, but it says confirm fix. All right. And I'm going to go ahead and try to fix it. While it's doing that, I am going to duplicate this right here. And I'm going to see whether or not this thing was full of crap or actually whether or not it did it. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go to contacts. We should see a Nuno test, Nuno emit test. Oh my God, there it is. New lead. It already bounced the email because it was a fake email. That's pretty cool. And if I go, he already got the tag added, right? We set appointments. So if I go and click on the test, we should see calendar appointments right in here. Look at that, 20-minute strategy call confirmed. This is nuts. Holy smokes. So if you don't have a HighLevel account, this is definitely the time to get it. So make sure you're clicking on my link below to get your 30-day free trial, because this is absolutely bananas and an absolute game changer. All right, new invoice. It did send an invoice, but it definitely had an issue. So let's see. Plus it made a new product. So let's go to payments and go to products. Invoices due. Demo audit. Look at this. And it already fixed a new one. So if I come in here, demo audit, $15, it created the product. That is insanity. All right. And if I come back in here, and this is all test stuff. So let's go back to the conversation at hand. The corrected invoice 15 has been sent out and is due. Everything is set up perfectly. Is there anything he likes to do? I mean, yeah, there'll be like a lot of other ton of things I'd like to do, right? So if we come back up here, let's just see what this thing can do. All right. Now, can I say, can you do me one more favor? Can you add them to the new lead pipeline and add them into new lead? All right. And I'm talking using Whisperflow to get this, by the way, lifesaver. It's definitely something you want to do for yourselves, especially as we can be able to keep talking to our CRM like this. Now watch it do something I didn't think a CRM could ever do, which is write a full blog post from scratch. Now, what's wild about this is like right now, obviously it's just the beginning. This is still in beta. I'm going to show you how to turn it on in a second once you get a GoHighLevel account, or if you have one. What's wild about it is the fact, look, it says new management looking at pipelines. It's trying to decipher which pipeline. Again, this is a test account, so we have a lot of pipelines in them that we're doing. We're going to put it in their lead management. There was some things in here. So let's try creating a blog. And what we'll do is I'll see if it has enough knowledge to build the blog with me and then go from it. But for now, let's see. One, we're going to go ahead and create the lead here. I'm going to go ahead and enter. And while it's doing that, I'm going to see if I can do a new chat and let this thing go and see if we can handle multiple at the same time, which I think you can actually do this. Help me create a blog on AI in 2026. I want to look up relevant information that might help it. And I also want to include some GoHighLevel features that we now have available to us that are going to help people get their business aligned with AI. Let me see if they'll actually create the content on top of doing what it has. I'll kick off a few things, searching the latest AI trends so it's able to search, and logging the blog creation skill simultaneously. I got research, reading blogs and everything else. Let's see by location. All right, while it's doing that, let's go back to our other conversation. I'm going to hit confirm. All right, let's see what it does. And it's adding it directly in here. And again, we'll come in here, go to opportunities. I believe it was lead management. Look, oh my God, it's there. That is absolutely insanity. Look at this thing. All right. And let's see how it's doing with the blog. All right. And it's got the thought process, so you can see everything that's happening right now. Hey, we want to interrupt this video for a quick little minute to just let you know that I hope you're enjoying this video. We want to thank you for being here. But more importantly, we are hoping that this content helps you do whatever you're trying to do inside of HighLevel. We also want to let you know that you have options to get additional help. We offer a $197 a month VIP coaching program that includes 4 days of office hours, first come, first serve, with Andy or myself, where we go in and we answer any of your questions that you might have live with a group setting for other people that are also working in HighLevel. We also have a VIP group where we answer questions directly one-on-one with anybody posting in that group to give you the absolute best support. It also comes with a bunch of other features, including our funnel brick system, our little mini course, and more importantly, a couple guides that'll help you through this, and also including our SOP library that we use for pretty much everything inside of our agency. So thank you for this quick little minute, but more importantly, go back to the video, get whatever you need. And if you have any questions that we can answer inside the video, just drop a comment on the video and we'll make sure to answer whenever we get a chance. And now back to the show. All right, this thing went out and created an entire blog in here. Look, it gave me the title, the slog, and everything else. There was no blog site, author, or categories. So once those are set up and you say publish this blog, I'll be able to generate the cover image and submit. I'm going to say, you can generate a cover image? Can you generate the cover image now for this? So it'll generate an image. That's even more incredible. It might have some limitations on where some of those things it can't do. So I would have to go in there and build a site. Now, but I guarantee you, if I don't know how to do something, I can probably ask it, how do you do those things? And can you walk me through step by step and get the step by steps and then go out and do the things that it needs in order for it to complete its job? Now we're going to let it complete an image and let's see where it's going. Wow, look at this. AI in 2026, the business revolution is here. It completely generated a beautiful image using my brand colors, which are blue and red. Absolutely amazing. And again, remember, now I said, well, I don't know how to do these things. So I'm going to ask it, how do you do this? So give me step by step on how to do this. And I'm just going to paste what it did. And I guarantee you it's going to give me user step-by-steps and everything that I have to do directly inside of HighLevel, which is going to be absolutely amazing. And look, it already tells you go to sites on the left-hand side menu, click on blogs, create new blogs, choose start from scratch, create a template. and it gives me all the steps on how to do this. Guys, this is absolutely insane. What other AI software is out there with the CRM that can do this? Now, this is the other crazy thing that I saw. I'm going to give you a list of people. I need you to create contacts, give them all new lead tags, and more importantly, in the lead management pipeline under new lead. All right. And I'm going to come in here. I literally just downloaded, I made a text. And what I'm going to do is this, I'm going to Control A, Control C. Let's see what it does. Again, these are all fake contacts. And it's loading things simultaneously. So it's using agents to basically do tasks simultaneously, which I think is absolutely brilliant. This is amazing. So it was funny. It gave me a warning that the list was really, really big. It said that it even identified that the numbers weren't valid. So it removed them invalid numbers and said you can update manually later. And then look, it came in here. It put all the company names and everything. Oh, hit confirm. Yep. So hit confirm and I'll execute all 100 operations. So I'm going to type in confirm. Let's go, creating all 50 contacts in parallel, which is a lot. If you really were going to import like a massive list, I probably wouldn't do that. I don't know what the actual, ability or context window of this is going to be, because any AI has like a context window or a memory or a limit, but it would be pretty cool to push it. But as you can see, this is doing something that would normally take you a long time to do. And this is pretty cool that it's even happening. All right, let's see what it did. Mission complete, 100 of 100 successful operations done, 50 contacts created, pipelines, tags added, new lead management pipeline, new status open, right? So if I come in here and go to opportunities, holy smokes, guys. And look, all the contacts. That is pretty crazy in here. So I don't know about you, but this is beyond impressive. And again, you can literally just come in here and ask it all the cool things it can do. Again, I probably won't even have enough time to show you all the things that it can do, but this is beyond impressive. I really love this feature. I think this is probably one of the coolest things I've seen in a long time. I don't know of any other AI that has the ability of like, you can ask it questions about what it can do, but one that actually physically does all these different things for you with this capability. Now, I'll even go into creating an AI agent and seeing how it does there, but why do that? I want you guys to explore this. So now, again, I want you to self-explore and figure out how to do this on your own. But more importantly, let me show you how to turn this on, because this is still in beta. You're going to go over to your agency account. You're going to go over to the left-hand side. Once you're in the agency side, go to settings. Once in settings, you're going to go over to labs. Click on labs, and for the agency, you're going to turn it on right up on here. And by the way, guys, you can come in here, submit feedback as you're doing it. Again, it's going to go live in 17, so going live only in a few days. Make sure this is turned on. And I don't believe you have to do it at the sub account level. So I think that's all you have to do. Nope, you have to enable it. So you come in here, activate feature, enable it for all like I did, so everybody can try this thing out. It is absolutely amazing. Definitely not a feature you are going to want to stop on this, but I think it's absolutely great. This is probably one of the best features. So if you don't have HighLevel and you want to try this out, click on the free trial below. Again, it'll get you 30 days of free trial plus a whole bunch of bonuses that come with my affiliate package. And more importantly, if you are there, make sure you're turning this thing on and you are trying it out. If you're under somebody's white label, beg them to turn this on for you so you can have this experience and enjoy this. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one.